Hi guys, my name is Ronald and this should be one of your favorite YouTube channels. And why? Because we provide one of the best Forex analysis of the week. Okay? We basically provide you with one of the best analysis you can ever find in the Forex market. Okay? So for this week, again, we will take you through what we think will be the pairs that will make it big for this week. So with our analysis, we will start with the pairs that we analyzed last week, and they really came out as we analyzed them. First will be the EURJPY. Like you can see, we told you if the EURJPY will break this trend line, we would immediately come in and we would take it up to here. And it happened as it was, you know. It broke this trend line. It just came from here, it took us in and it went up to here. Okay, so that was successful. For this week, we will still go with the same signal. So we will just move our order just around here. So we will just let it pull down for some time. When it takes us in from here, then we will move our take profit. Let's see, from the 4 hour, we will increase our take profit to another level. Yeah, so next week we expect a pullback and a continuation. That was the EURJPY. You will check our previous videos for the EURJPY. That is how successful we are. We gave it to you together with the CADJPY. It was the same signal. The moment it will break out, remember I told you we are breakout traders. The moment it would break out, we would put our buy limit order here, and it will take us in, and we will gladly take the points. And it did exactly the same. So for this week, we still have the same order. So we will just let it pull back until here. Then we will take the profit until there. Why do we choose until there? I will show you. So if you want to see where you have to join in, you will pull your Fibonacci. I will show you. You will come here, get your Fibonacci, put it from the starting point here to the highest, just right there. Okay, so we put it here on the 50%. So when it reaches the 50%, it will take us in. Yeah, so we are expecting a pullback from the CADJPY next week. Any pullback, we will just get in. So that is our order. Okay. If you don't want to trade these two pairs, you have a lot of pairs to trade tomorrow, the coming week for the JPY. I will show you almost all the JPY pairs. Any pair that is pairing with the Japanese yen is tradable. Check out for the AU for this one. For the CHF JPY, the same thing. Just let it pull back just until here. Just let it pull back until here and put your buy order and extend it. Okay, if you pull your Fibonacci until here, you will get the 50%. That's how we are trading it. The CADJPY, I've told you already, that one we got it last week, and still for the coming week we have it. EURNZD JPY, you see all the analysis I had done already, and it all went as expected. So for this week, still the same thing. We will take it in. We will put our stop loss just way above there. Then we will put our buy order just way above there. But you don't have to trade all these yen pairs. You just choose 3 or 2 because they have the same movement. Okay, the same thing to the USD JPY. USD JPY, for this one I will show you if you want to join in. Let's use this point here, or if you want to use this, you can use the trend line. Let's say here. So if you have traded any yen pair, it's not advisable to again trade like all the yen pairs because they will have the same movement. So any pullback from here, we will join in. If you want to be very particular, you can use your Fibonacci. If you want, you can use it from this point, but it's better this move came from here. So we Let's put it just right there. So any pullback until the 38 or the 50%, for this pair we can take the 3.80, we can join in. So you will come with your buy long position just from right there, and you will take the points up. Okay, so for next week we are looking at the yen pairs. We expect them to go up just like that. Okay, yeah, let's look for one pair more again for the last week, the one we checked, and we think it will still continue with the move. For this week it was the gold. Okay, if you remember, for the gold I told you it is overextended. So we expected a pullback from this pair, and we were right. So we said on the 4 hour, when we saw this breakout from here, we knew that this pair, from this one, from here until here, we knew that this pair is ready for a pullback, and we were right. So if you traded this one, you were already in profit. Like I told you, you have to be in and out of position. So by now you would be already out of position, and you would again target it back here. So for this week we will still go with the same order. Any breakout from this small structure, your stop loss should be just within this one, and you will still take your profit just right there. So again, for this week we still have the gold to the downside. So remember, we are breakout traders. We look at pairs that we think are going to break out and we go for them. So the other pairs are EURNZD. I'll show you. Okay, for the EURNZD, we think it's gonna break out to the downside. Okay, it wants to come back and retest this side here. So it has already broken out to check out on this, but it's gonna break down until this one. So you have to go to the 1 hour and put your sell limit order just anywhere here. In case it breaks out, it should come with you. Okay, yeah. So again, why we think it's gonna come down? Because of this consolidation, we think it's gonna come down. So let's put our order. I will show you. Let's pull our Fibonacci, not our Fibonacci, we don't need a Fibonacci there. Let's put our short order, and it should be from here, just right there. So you will take your points until here. Let's check on the 4 hour. Yeah, we should expect it to be until this zone here. So for next week, just look out for the sell for the EURNZD. It has not yet broken out, but it's a potential breakout because it has already tried to break out. So we expect it to act the same way. And lastly, we will look at the pound AUD. The pound AUD, where is it? This. Yeah, because this one also, we think it is showing us signs of breaking out. So once it breaks out of the structure, we will join in. So we shall not wait for breakout. We will put our limit orders just right there. So just right here, our sell limit order just right there, and we are targeting this area down. Okay, remember we are coming in and out, so any points it will give us, we are in. Our stop loss should be above this 200 moving average. Once it takes us until there, we are out. So yes, that's it. Also, let's look at all these pairs. So it's the EURJPY, the CADJPY, the gold, the EURNZD, the GBPAUD, but you can also look at any other yen pairs, because they have all broken to the upside and they have the same movement. Yeah, so that's it for this week. Yeah, let's see what will happen.